The investment committee is answering your questions. The first one is for Shannon from Kevin in Charlotte. He writes, as Cisco hits a 52-week high and states and restaurants are reopening, does Cisco still have legs to run? Shannon, what do you say about SYY?
Well, thanks for the question, Kevin. And actually, I sold SYY a couple of weeks ago because I don't think that it has much more room to run in the interim. It's definitely benefited from the reopening trade, particularly with the pickup in food service and food service ordering. But it's trading near peak multiples, and I think that it's going to take a little while for the earnings to recover to justify those multiples. So we actually swapped this out for Mondelez a couple of weeks ago.
Okay. Let's get to one for Weiss from Tony in California. In your opinion, what is the best cyclical stock to buy right now and why? What do you say, Weiss?
Well, I think you have to look at what's not traditionally regarded as cyclical and go back to Skyworks, go back to Corvo, because they're in everything. But the one I added to today was U.S. Concrete, USCR, the infrastructure plan, but also the taxes, the tax hit to municipalities was not as great. Roads are in terrible shape. They're going to rebuild them anyway. They're aggregates, they're concrete. I like this one quite a bit.
All right, last one for Josh from Steve in Toronto. Is Madison Square Garden Entertainment a buy? What do you say, Josh?
So I don't own this. I've been watching it and talking about it as a reopening play. But last week, the story very drastically changed. They are going to reacquire, I guess, or remerge with Madison Square Garden Networks. So MSG Networks is like the New York, I guess, super regional television network that broadcasts Knicks, Rangers, and other stuff. So these two things had been broken apart. Now they're coming back together. I haven't really done a deep enough dive into what this really means for shareholders of the parent to have a strong opinion here. But I would say it's not as clear a pure play on the reopen as it once was if now they're going back into broadcasting. Now, they did say they think there's a really strong reason to do that around gaming becoming legalized across the country, and they might be right on that bet, but I have to research this more before I could say anything definitively.
All right.